Snowstorm forecast. Timeline. How many inches NY/NJ CT can expect tonight? WNYW. A powerful winter storm is quickly dumping snow onto NYC, with the forecast showing 4 to 6 inches of accumulation by the end of Saturday night. Track live radar and the storm's timeline. Below are your comments. Weather forecasters are like fishermen in estimating size. A fisher man holds his thumb and forefinger 2 inches apart and says this much is 8 inches. It is winter. It is in the north. It snows. Who else is sick of weather being news? I didn't see anything about how many inches my hometown San Angelo, Texas is expecting. I'm really ready for a dose of global warming to visit the Midwest. When I see that groundhog, it's on sight. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.